Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to enter a referral code or coupon code on the Temo app. So, let's get started. First, open the Temo app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're tap on the U icon at the bottom of the screen. In the menu, tap on Coupons and Offers. Now, tap on Enter Coupon Code. Type your referral or promo code in the box and hit Apply. If your code is valid, it will be successfully applied and your rewards will show up. You can also tap on Use tab to view your redeemed codes. An expired tab to check old or invalid codes. And that's it. You've just entered your referral code in the Temo app. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.